Hey, it's Jorge Estrada. I want to share something really exciting with you. I was looking for a birthday present for my wife, and she likes wearing smartwatches. And yeah, it's it's a smartwatch. So I want to give her something a little bit more sexy, more sleek, more sporty. I don't want to say sophisticated, but it might go down that in that category too. So I came across the Yema website, and they came out with a brand new female version, and let me see if I can get it out. So it's the Yema Navygraf Marine Nationale Femme. This is the very first ever, to my knowledge, female version of that Navygraf, the type of watch. And when I saw it on the website, I loved it instantly. So it said pre-order will be shipping in May, so this year May, and I ordered it in April 27, and yesterday it got here. So they did not just ship in May, I actually received it in May. So I'm very satisfied, very happy, and I would like to show you this because again it's brand new, and it comes in this blue travel case. It has a zipper on it, which is really nice because you can actually use it when you travel, and it's not just a big old chunky plastic or wooden box that you just put in storage. It's actually a case you can use. Now, she already wore it for a little bit, played around with it, so don't be disappointed, it's empty. But I wanted to show you that steel bracelet that it comes with. Comes with two straps. Also appreciate that for that price class. Very nice. Steel bracelet, really soft, really, yeah, it's just soft. Has the logo on here. Absolutely, again, for that price range, absolutely beautiful. Up here, really, really cute, is a stitched leather, and it's just a stitched leather piece, but then you turn it around, it's actually your warranty card. So again, it's a nice touch, personal touch, handwritten in there. Beautiful case. It looks good. It goes with a beach theme, ocean theme. Really nice. Also, in with the watch comes, of course, the owner's manual. Now this manual is, I don't know why they did that, but it's too big to go in the box that the watch is in. So if you order it, this will be somewhere in the shipping box. It will not be in your watch box, but it doesn't matter. Just a side note, it's in there. Got some beautiful pictures, but it also has all the pictures that you see on the website. But it's there. That's important. Now here's the watch that I really, really like. Comes with white leather straps. I put them on right away. But here it is. Yema Navygraf Marine Nationale Femme. Very beautiful dial. Look at the bezel. The white bezel. Really nice. So that's a stainless steel 316L case, 34 millimeter. It has a screw-in crown guards. Really, really usable. They say it's 10.3 millimeter thick. I didn't measure it. The dimensions are great. So the proportions, once she wears it, now she's at work. So she left this home so I can take the video, but I'm going to do some wrist shots later today. There's a crest on the crown. Really nice. You see my band-aid there on my thumb? Was actually, when this watch came yesterday, I was so excited that I actually cut myself. But don't tell my wife. She thinks I cannot be left alone. So keep that to yourself. Back to the watch. Again, the blue dial, they call it matte blue. I call it navy blue, but it's really, really nice. It's a deep blue. I try to do some macro specifically for. I did some before, but I specifically need some now of the dial because that really, with that white, that contrast, it's really, really nice. That bezel is unidirectional. I don't know if you can hear the clicks. It's a solid click. It's a solid feel, but it turns way easier than the Mito I just got, the Ocean Star. There was some hard work. I guess they need some wearing in. This goes beautiful, very audible, and looks just beautiful. It's just not sleek and sexy. I mean, I might just have to get a second one. Case back is screwed in, so it's 100-meter water resistance. It's actually usable. You go to the ocean and you don't have to take it off, and that's what I like. I don't need safe queens. You know, you're too scared to scratch up. If you're too scared to scratch it up, you can't afford it. But this one is actually usable. Again, it has Super Luminova. They call it BGW9. So now it's all on the website. It's not that I have here secret knowledge. It's you guys know more about that than I do. And now the movement is a Seiko VH31, so I have no issues giving her a battery powered movement. Again, she likes smartwatches, so I think this is already better than what she's wearing right now. But it's just my opinion, of course. Is a workhorse movement, is a true no date movement. So there's no date wheel running around underneath the dial. And it's just beautiful. I mean, again, if you are in the market for a female watch, or if you are looking for one for your partner, head over to the Yema website, and who knows, you might like it. They should be in stock now, ready to ship. You shouldn't have to wait anymore. But all that for $350, I cannot complain. This is really a nice watch. And ever since Lafayette, you know, we should support the French. Absolutely. Now they made some mistakes in the past, but you know, nobody's perfect. So again, I like it very much. Head over. I'm gonna add pictures at the end of this video for the loom and some other macro shots, but I'm gonna try to take really detailed pictures of that dial. Just practicing my photography. It's also just a hobby. Take all my pictures myself. But it's a beautiful watch. I hope you liked it. It's brand new, just came out, so I'm really excited to have one, and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much. Be safe.